So it's Sunday, the 25th of August, 2024, and I have just finished the workshops for the weekend. So as you can see, lots has been done and infilled. We've got 5 of the panels more or less nearly done. I haven't done a meringue test yet. The hope is not too much will fall off. But lots of people participated for the last 2 days as well. So I've still got to do this one, which is absolutely fine. And so it's nearly there. And once it's all done, we're going to have it hung up. I'm going to grout it and it's going to be outside. So it's Caroline Jerrywaller, Mango Mosaics, over and out. See you soon.